Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make 2 different kinds of slimes. Let's get right to it. What you need for clear slime is clear glue, a bowl, a utensil or fork, and finally you will also need Tide or a different activator. Let's get started. First step is to pour in your glue. Once you have your amount of glue that you like, you can add in your activator and only add a little bit at a time. Once you've added a little bit, you can use your fork to mix. And I will be adding a little bit more activator. Now that I'm done mixing, I will be going in with my hands. The materials you need for this color changing slime is a fork or different utensil, a bowl. You will also need Elmer's color changing glue. My glue will be changing colors from yellow to red, and all I need to do is add sunlight. You will also need activator. I'll be using Tide. Let's get started. The first step is to pour your glue into your bowl. After you've added your glue into your bowl, you can slowly add some of your activator. Once you've added a little bit, you can stir it in with your utensil or fork. And make sure you're only adding a little bit of activator at a time. After you've mixed it in, you can use your hands and mix it through. So now I'm going to be going outside to watch it turn red. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!